Hello YouTubers and welcome to Dio's Prime Review channel. Today we're running a live at 22 benchmark test for the Huawei Honor 3X phone, and here it is, 3X. And while Antutu is running, we'll just we'll zoom out a little bit and check out some of the reviews on the box. While we're doing this, make sure to like our Huawei 3X video. Also, subscribe to the Dio's Prime Review channel. Okay, so this has a 5.5-inch IPS screen, octa-core 1.7 gigahertz CPU, and it's a MTK 6592 CPU, Android 4.2 operating system, Emotion UI 2.0. It's a special Huawei interface. 2GB RAM, 8GB ROM. 13 megapixel camera on the back with a flash, and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. Supports DTS and has built-in GPS. This supports 3G, WCDMA, and GSM. Dual standby for all types. This supports Bluetooth 4.0, and of course it has Wi-Fi. And here it is. And the rest, here's the IMEI info, and the rest is just like that. Again, I want to remind you to like our video. Also, subscribe to Dio's Prime Review channel. And we're just waiting for Antutu to conclude the review. The test. There is a link to this product inside of our YouTube video. For the 3G network, this supports 2100 megahertz quad band GSM. And this looks like he's using the Snapdragon. So we'll just wait for what Antutu says about this. So again, this has built-in GPS, AGPS, has compass. And here we are. It's a nice whopping score of 27,404. There it is. Let's check out the details. And I'll try to score. I'll put it like this. We'll just well, there we go. We'll just do it like this, and then scroll on a little bit so you guys can actually view the results. So awesome score for this phone. It's running Android 4.2.2 operating system, 1.67 or 1.66 gigahertz CPU. So basically 1.7 gigahertz. Sometimes Antutu reads a little bit lower. 2GB DDR3 RAM with 1.2 gigabytes or 1.3 gigabytes free. Mali 450 GPU. Here are the scores for the graphics. And actually, let's check out device info. So I'll just get back out of here. And device info is here. So it says great. Device info. Huawei Honor 3X. So this is also known as a G750. Android 4.2.2 MTK 6592 CPU. So that's correct. 1280 by 720 pixel resolution screen. 13 megapixel camera on the back. 2GB RAM. 8GB ROM with 5.5 gigabytes free. 5.5 inches IPS screen with a 320 dpi. 5 megapixel camera on the front. Aperture for f2.2. And this version was last updated on the firmware was last updated on January 9th. So totally the latest release. Supports GPS and AGPS. Okay, so that's again to recap, 27,404, and let's just go and continue with this review. We'll go to, I believe that we're already on. Well, I thought we were on. Okay, so this is one of the results that we did for, let's see, Okay, yeah. So we were on Deals Prime, and for some reason that search got lost. But we'll just do a search. We'll just do a go to a couple websites just to show you the phone in action. So we actually downloaded this Antutu from Google Play, and you can see here that it has a nice HD screen, IPS with a wide viewing angle, so nice and clear. And I actually don't really like the browser that comes pre-installed. It's kind of like a it's not really a good browser, let's put it like that. But you can definitely download Chrome or anything like that. So again, nice and fast. Okay, and we'll go to maybe a couple of other sites. Actually, let's see. Let's redo that search on Deals Prime. Our site's been actually getting a lot of traffic, so I don't know what's going on with the site. But let's just continue with the rest of this review. So before we continue though, make sure to like our video. Also subscribe to the Deals Prime Review channel. And this phone just wants to like slide off the box. Okay, so you can see that it has a nice nice interface. The speakers are on the back. And we can't play too much due to policies on YouTube, but you can hear that it does have great audio. And we downloaded Benchmark, and here's there's an app center here, which I believe is it's a Chinese app thing. So if you want to download apps, you probably just have to. There's a ton of alternative apps, app markets. So you'll have to probably download some app markets, but they have a nice place where you can manage the apps, delete, install, etc. So it does have Kingsoft Office. So this is Word, Power, Excel, etc. All the files you need for Office, or a student if you're a student, for work, or if you're a student. And cameras here on the desktop, and it's always hard for us to take a good picture during a review, just because it's kind of impromptu and not necessarily anything really special to take a picture of. But we'll just show off the 13 megapixel camera here. And you have a nice coupon from KFC there. What, $1.15 or something for a nice chicken breast. And let's go into settings. Just show you a little bit more about the phone, the settings. Do it this way so we can zoom in again. Now there is a link to this Huawei Honor X3X inside of our YouTube video description. So it has DTS effects, and it's turned on. You kind of heard that with the great sound there. Storage. So 8 gigabytes with 5.1 gigabytes free. And it says 8 gigabyte total there. About phone. Quad core 1.7 gigahertz phone. There's a resolution. Basically, all the stuff that Antutu was saying is basically the same. It's released. Actually, was this not released? The WCDMA version was released just recently. And let's see what else we can show you on this phone. So, some different themes that you can customize. There's a map there. There's a gallery, music. We just now heard some music. Let's check out the video. So again, you can see the you can see that it has a nice IPS screen, high definition, wide viewing angle. And again, you can hear the DTS on the back. And that's cool. And it has a game center, which is probably a whole bunch of Chinese games, but I'm sure you guys could probably figure out how to play them, and you can download your own games. Calendar, file manager, phone manager. Let's check out tools. There's all this good stuff in there. Weather, flashlight, calculator, DLNA, FM radio, Sim toolkit, voice assistant, top apps, so Office, iReader, a couple other apps. So if you don't like some of the apps, you can always erase them. Okay, so let's just show you the build of the phone and the accessories, and then we'll conclude this review. So there's a 5 megapixel camera on the front. Actually, the volume wasn't even turned up all the way, so that's cool. It's even louder than that. 13 megapixel camera on the back, flash. This looks like a pinhole reset button, so if you need to, right here, so if you need to reset the phone for any reason, you can gently press that with a needle. Power, volume up, volume down. This is power, also is the sleep button. Bottom, micro USB port, mic hole. And again, this is a nice light phone, and it's nice and thin. And we'll just pop off the back case just to see, to show you the slots. Also the battery, so I'll zoom out a little bit again. And it's a 3000 milliamp battery. And here's SIM slot 1, micro SD card slot, SIM slot 2. So it's a nice, nice big battery. Okay, and this comes with a wall charger. If you're in the US, well, this is a US style. If you're in Europe, Australia, or the UK, will come with your country's power plug adapter, free, only from dealsprime.com. Also, a USB cable to plug into the computer to transfer files or into the charger. And this is a Huawei branded charger, and it's 5 volt 1 amp. Just plug this into there like that. And when you order from Deals Prime, if you ask for the 3-in-1 touch pin, which there's a touch pin right here, laser, and a flashlight, we'll include this just in the order notes section during checkout. Ask us to please include the free YouTube 3-in-1 promo pin, or the 3-in-1 pin, and we will. And in order to see the order notes section, you actually need to register on dealsprime.com, log in, and then check out through the website. Okay guys, well this just about concludes this review. We actually we have to end it now because we have a 15-minute limit on YouTube for video length, but we'll just end this review with the startup, the boot up screen. Make sure to like our video, subscribe to the Deals Prime Review channel, and there is a product link to this Huawei Honor 3X inside of our YouTube video description. Thanks for watching.